Save the planet. Colin Cow says reduce, reuse, recycle. Gertie Goat says always put your trash in a bin. Patty Penguin says save water and electricity. Wally Walrus says reduce your carbon footprint. Use a bicycle, public transport, or walk. Peter Panda says use renewable energy. Harry Hippo says buy products that can be recycled. Leo Lion says plant an indigenous tree. Indigenous means native. These types will grow better in their natural environment. Baba Bear says support sustainable practices. Make sure we'll still have fish. Carly Cat says don't waste natural resources. And Zina Zebra says save the planet. We only have one.